This tutorial shows you how to request descriptive statistics in R. Depending on the parameters you need, you will have two different ways to get descriptive statistics, at least if you don't want to use single functions for every parameter. The first way is very convenient and employs the psych package and its describe function. After installing and loading the psych package, you will have access to the describe function. Simply put the variable you want the basic descriptive statistics for into the function and run it. I will use the income variable of my data frame df. You will get a default table showing you the number of observations, the mean, standard deviation, median, and so forth. By double-clicking the describe function and pressing F1, you can see further arguments that can be included into the function. For instance, the interquartile range with IQR equals true. The second way is more suitable when you know in advance which parameters you want. For this method to work, you will need to load up the dplyr package and employ piping. You will start out with your data frame, followed by the piping operator, and then on the next line use the summarize function. Be aware that summarize can also be written with s at the end. Those functions are synonyms though. Within the summarize function, you can use the respective parameter functions you need. For instance, mean income will calculate the mean of the income variable. SD income will calculate the standard deviation, and so on. One exception is the number of observations, which requires n and empty parentheses to work. Also, don't forget to always use commas between the parameters. For a list of parameters that can be requested using this function, you can highlight the summarize function and press F1. Another help section will appear where you can scroll down a bit to find the list of parameter commands. To get a slightly more visually appealing table, add another pipe operator after your final parameter and in the next line as.data.frame. One final tip: if you want to rename the column headers, simply put the desired text in front of the parameter. For instance, m equals in front of mean. After running the code, you will have m instead of mean income. If you need descriptive statistics for groups in R, I recommend the following video.